Now we're going to review how to make a change in any of the pump settings. We may make a change based on the patient's pain level, provider orders for an increase in bolus amount, basal amount, or both. I'm going to press pause. We're going to press yes to resume. And now we're not going to restart, but we're going to review the settings and change each one. Press no to review. The program settings will appear line by line. Press the enter key to go to each setting until you get to the setting that you want to change. Press yes to go to the next screen. You don't want to change the bag volume unless you are changing to a new bag. To change the basal rate, I'll have my new ordered amount ready, and I'm going to have to put the lock code in immediately. Let's change this basal rate from 7 to 9. Lock code is put in. And it goes back to 7. Make sure you type in 9 and enter to accept that line. Make any other changes the same way. Press enter to accept each of these amounts. Then press yes for done. We're back to our main screen. To review everything we just changed, press no, and each setting will scroll through and make sure everything we changed is correct with the provider's order. Press enter. Once we get to the done screen, we'll press yes to get back to the main menu. Press run to start.